How to Do Anything Television brings you a new video to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate your hard drive storage space and find what capacity is available. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, all we need to do is focus on the desktop, go to the right top corner of the screen where it says Macintosh hard drive, right click, get information. And now what we can do is look at the capacity, 1 terabyte in size. What do we have available? 278 gigabytes of available storage on the Mac computer. Let's now close out of Get Info. Command J will allow us to show item information. And there we go. We will always have that available for ourselves on the right top corner of the screen, so we then know this is the capacity we have available, and therefore we will always be told what we have left and what we don't. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.